When I was little, my dad got home from war and I was placed into his custody because of child abuse at my mom's. But he couldn't cook though. He used to make these microwavable hamburgers that were gray, rubbery, and barely edible. Those burgers weren't love. They were the farthest thing from it. They were survival, a quick fix, the bare minimum. What they really showed me was the absence of something deeper, the warmth of a home cooked meal that every child deserves. Looking back, I see the difference. Surviving isn't the same as being cared for. But here's what I've learned. Sometimes even the disappointments we resented as kids become the things that teach us the most. So let me ask you, what childhood disappointment shaped the way you see family? From broken to blessed. That's my story. What's yours? If this hit home, hit follow and share it with someone that needs hope today.